So I'm going to make a guacamole, and guacamole is a great choice to go with corn chips or chips generally because it's got some good fats in it, which will help to lower the GI of the overall snack. It'll also help you to feel fuller for a bit longer, so better for your blood sugars and better for your hunger as well. So let's get started.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So this is basic guacamole. It's got an avocado mushed up with a fork. It's got the juice of half a lemon. It's got a pinch of salt and about a quarter of a clove of garlic, which I've microplaned on here. You don't need much because it's raw, so it's going to be quite strong. Now, the other additions I'm going to make today, but these are totally optional, is a handful of chopped tomato. I've got maybe, I don't know, less than a quarter of a red onion. And while I'm here, I can just see one jalapeno, so I'm going to put that in too. Why not? So I'll just put maybe a quarter of that jalapeno chili in. And coriander. And let's give it a mix up. Okay, so I've got my corn chips. I've got my amazing looking guacamole there. So that tastes amazing. Not only does it taste amazing, it's going to help with filling me up, all that extra healthy fat from the avocado, and I've actually got quite a decent amount of vegetables in there, so that will also add some extra fibre. Try and look for ways that you can add some extra fibre, some healthy fats or some protein to your snacks and meals, because it will really help with managing your blood glucose levels, as well as helping to keep you feeling full, which is important if you're wanting to get your weight down a little bit or maintain a healthy weight. And I'll see you next time on Diabetes Kitchen. Thanks for watching.